Hey everybody, I got these little tags here. These work with Find My, and they're like just like an AirTag kind of clone. But let's check these out. These are good. Oh, these are sweet. It comes with little hang tags. These are perfect, and they're light, and they're not metal and stuff. The other one's banged on stuff. I didn't like it. So let's see what we got here. Penny, get down. My dog, sorry. Okay, these come very well wrapped. Okay, there we go. Not wrapped anymore. Okay, so here it is. So let's see, how do we set this up? I think we're just gonna have to set it up like we do with the Find My. So if I go to Find My, and then I can go to items and then add an item and add another item, and it'll search for it. But let me see, how do we turn these on? Probably gonna have to figure that one out here. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's not in English. Okay, I think I might have to connect to it and use this little device here. Okay, I think I have to open it up and affix the battery. Let's see, how do I do that? Oh, no I don't, I push the button on the side. There's a button, look at that. Okay, I held down the button and it dinged a few times. So let's see if it finds it now. And there it is. It says Locator tag. And I can get a name for it. I'm gonna call this one, I'll call this one backpack. I'll call it laptop backpack. Because I have two backpacks. I'll call it laptop backpack. So I can hit continue. And now I choose an emoji. And I'll just do crying face, continue. Oops, you can't see that because it's got my information on it, but okay, so now I've got it, and I can say play sound, and it works. It plays a sound. Stop playing sound. I can see directions. Well, it says it's with me, so it's not gonna give me much for directions. I can share the item. Yeah, here you can see, you can do all the same stuff you can do with an AirTag. You can share the item, you can show the contact information, you can notify when you leave. So basically, it's an AirTag. It does the same things. So now I'm gonna go connect this up to my laptop backpack, which happens to be over there, so I keep looking that direction, and I am good to go. So this is awesome. So there, now I'm set up. So totally cool, thumbs up, great.